So GMOP stands for the Graduate Molecular Biology Outreach Program. We're a student-run volunteer group, and our goal is to bring science to the community.
We're working with kids in the local community and we're showing them how we can extract DNA, and we're using pumpkins as an example.
There's science all around us, so just trying to find ways to get people to kind of notice it and talk about it and maybe appreciate it.
I think that science can be really fun, and you can learn while having fun, and that's one of the things that at least I try to keep in mind when we think of activities and when we're going into an event, we're brainstorming.
We target anywhere from preschool children all the way through actually senior citizens.
Whether we're doing Special Needs Day or whether we've both participated in planned out curriculum, we've had to really learn how to be flexible and ready to improv and figure out how we can address every different type of audience we might be getting.
So we have science everywhere in our everyday lives, whether it's having a beer at the end of the day or eating some cheese and crackers. Both of those processes involve a lot of science and microbes. So I think everyone's a scientist if they're pairing a different wine with a different cheese. So it's fun to have people understand that and get inspired by that.
When you see people have that aha moment and that really, when they get that excitement that comes from seeing, some reaction before their eyes or when something clicks, it's just really rewarding.
I think any science, any sort of experimentation involves imagination in a way, right? You're coming up with an idea that kind of makes sense and you're trying to address that idea in the most logical, simplistic way possible as well.
Going out into the community is just making science accessible and showing that scientists can also be accessible. We're not just locked up in our labs all the time.
Fostering an appreciation and understanding of the scientific process is really important to help people really trust how science is done and be able to make informed decisions.